Rise and shine, all I and I's. How are all the eyes doing out here on this beautiful, lovely day? This is ElSea Jahzen in Egypt Dawn, back with another therapeutic video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know how you're striving to a therapeutic life. Greetings, all I and I's. This is Herbal Remedy blends of the week. So we are making us a tea today with these herbs fresh, and we're going to be drying out some tea for the website so others in our community and worldwide can get access to these herbs, homegrown herbs. All right, y'all, so we have our herbs soaking in some water, and we have lime juice that we're squeezing over it to clean our herbs, y'all, because we're going to be drying these herbs out, and we're going to be packaging them in our herbal tea blends. So head on over to the website. I have several different tea blends, like mullein is used in my mucus cleanse blend. When we get you a mucus cleanse, you can have some mullein. Yarrow is in my herbal bath blend or yoni steam blend, foot soap blend. Sage is in my sage bundles. I have sage bundles where I do smudging sticks. And also I have rosemary in my daily tea blend. So the daily tea blend, you can get rosemary in that. Also, you can get rosemary by burning it in as well as in my sage smudge stick. Also, I have a smudging class. I have a smudging class on my Patreon, and I also have a herbal workshop on my Patreon. So if you guys are interested in that, you can purchase it straight out and with Patreon, or you can sign up to be a Patreon membership and you get all the workshops included in your membership. So yeah, so that's that. Also have some microgreens. Oh, and basil. Basil is also in my Renew blend, and it's also in my daily tea blend as well. You can drink basil daily for digestion, good digestion flow with basil. So that's pretty good. So we're going to be using that for our tea today. We're going to be putting some out to dry, some out for tea. So we're just going to separate what we're going to be using out of a tea today and what we are going to be drying out today. So we are going to be using some yarrow. Yarrow is really good for the womb. And of course, I'm a moon of the wombniverse, so I definitely need this yarrow tea. This is perfect for the womb, ladies. Perfect for the womb. I dry it out. You can have your tea without it being dried out. So you can go harvest you some of your herbs. You can go to the shop to get some fresh herbs. You can even forage you some herbs. All herbs you can use as a tea. You can do rosemary tea, yarrow tea by itself, basil tea by itself. We also have some other herbs here that you can do it by itself. All of these herbs are in my tea blends on my website. You can even do sage leaves as a tea. You can burn sage leaves. You can burn rosemary. You can do all the things with your herbs. You can eat it, drink it as a tea. You can make smudge sticks out of them to cleanse your energy. You can do your herbs as a foot soak. You can bathe in these herbs. Yes, you can bathe with herbs. Yes. Your skin is the largest organ on your body. So when you bathe with your herbs, that's not only cleansing your body, but it's spiritually cleansing yourself, physically cleansing off the grime. Your energy is restored. All of those minerals go straight into your skin cells, straight into your bloodstream. So that's why it's important to put products that are natural on your blood, on your skin, because your skin is your largest organ and your skin goes straight into your bloodstream. So this is very important. So that's why we lather ourselves with shea butter straight from Africa, straight out of Africa, the shea butter. We use black soap for our skin, the black African soap for our skin, because it has nothing but the minerals of the earth in it. Coconut oil is good to use. So just pay attention to what you're lathering on your body, because you can bathe in these herbs right now and it can take care of your body. It can heal your body with you just bathing in some sage. Bathe yourself with some sage. Bathe yourself with some rosemary. All of the things, y'all. Soak your foot in some mullein. It'll cleanse your respiratory. So we are making us a tea today with these herbs fresh. And we're going to be drying out some tea for the website so others in our community and worldwide can get access to these herbs. Homegrown herbs. Homegrown herbs. We have some mint as well that we're going to be putting. So this is literally perfect for a tea. You have your mint leaves that we harvested. And also you can burn mint leaves as well for as an incense. You can burn leaves. This is sage. So we're going to add so I'm trying to get all of the mint leaves. All right. So we have, I'm trying to like separate a little bit and not be with you. So we have some basil. This right here is microgreens. That's basil. I'm trying to separate it, y'all, because we are going to be making some tea today. And we're going to be drying out some today. So this is Herbal Mondays, where we talk about herbal remedies. So follow my herbal remedy playlist here on YouTube, where we talk about nothing but herbs. If you're interested in growing your own food and herbs and sustainability, that's my Restored the Garden of Eden playlist. If you're interested in herbal remedies and herbs, that is my herbal remedy playlist here on YouTube. You can save the playlist. So yeah, y'all go check out those playlists. Say those playlists if you're just interested in certain stuff, because daily I post different videos on different topics. And I have playlists for them if you're just interested in that certain topic. Alright, so we have sorted out and cleansed all of the herbs that we harvested from the garden. Some herbs we're going to use as tea, and some we're going to hang up and we're going to dry out. So now that we have that, alright y'all, so first what you're going to do, you're going to boil your water. And wait till it's fully boiled before you put your herbs in. Then we're going to steep the herbs for about 15-20 minutes. And then we're going to have a tea. And that'll be the end of the video, y'all. So make sure you guys tune in to my Vital playlist, because next we are going to be making a Vital meal. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so our water is boiling, so we're going to add our tea. We're going to turn off turn up the stove. We're going to remove the pot, and then we're going to add our herbs in. So I added some about 4. Well, we're going to add 5 basil leaves, 2 sage leaves. We're going to add some mullein in there. So I'm going to break up the mullein a little bit. I'm going to break up the mullein. Put some mullein in there. 2 mullein leaves to this one. So I broke up 2 mullein leaves. Y'all can see me put the rosemary. It's really good for our brain, y'all. I did a whole presentation on rosemary. Y'all just go check out my herbal playlist. I broke that all the way down. I broke it all the way down, y'all. Rosemary is so beneficial. So even if you just had rosemary, just growing rosemary, you'll be good with just drinking rosemary tea every day, because your brain will be healthy, your mind will be on point and sharp. you'll have coherence with the universe. So there we go, y'all. We're gonna leave this steeping for about 15-20 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna pour us some tea. We're gonna pour us the herbal tea blend of the week from the garden. Leaf right there. This mint leaf. A few mint leaf. Oh, I think I did put mint in. Oh no, that was basil at first. Yeah, that was basil at first. Alright, y'all. That's it. We have a few more mint leaves, and then I'm gonna leave a little mint leaf for our smudge stick. Check out our smudge class on my Patreon. You can purchase just to watch the workshop and the class, or you can become a Patreon member where I do all types of in-depth making tinctures and teas and all types of things I'll post on there. Alright, y'all, so this is me putting up our herbs. So our herbs is finished steeping. We're gonna be making our tea. I just want to quickly show y'all this, but I'm gonna just snippet this in there. Y'all ain't gonna get too much info on anything, but alright, y'all, so y'all see it. Y'all see it. These are all of the yarrows right here. Then we have some more yarrows right there. Then we have the rosemary hung up right there, as y'all can see, all the way up. We still have some more to put in here. So yeah, you just leave it to hang, and once it's dry, you use your herbal grinder and you just grind out all the herbs. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to pour some in my cup. Pour this beautiful tea inside of my cup. It was enough for 1 cup of tea. We're going to bless this tea, set our intentions for this tea, give thanks and gratitude for this tea, for the nourishment and health and wellness for our vessel. We're receiving all of the minerals as we are getting some sound therapy from the birds, and just taking in this great moment that we appreciate, and just to be grateful for this day and grateful for all of these herbs providing minerals for our body. We give thanks and gratitude. Ashe. Look at the beautiful hue of the tea. It's not bitter. It's real smooth. This tea is not bitter. It's really, really smooth. I can taste the basil, the hint of mint, the rosemary. It all comes together. Now, as I enjoy my tea outside in nature, listening to the birds, having some sound therapy, make sure you guys check out my sound therapy Thursday playlist on here, where you can just sit outside, drink your tea, eat your meal in nature, and just listen to the beautiful sounds of nature. So give thanks and gratitude for y'all tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know how you are striving to a therapeutic life. Cheers.